scared. I don't want to do this. This isn't even the one that we're supposed to be doing.
Wait, if we do this, can we just count this as our...
Nope. Give me. I'm sexy.
Can I help you? And that's Belly making her debut. You can go plus away. Are you ready?
Oh, baby. What flavor did you take?
Watermelon.
Oh, goodness.
What the heck are you doing? Are you doing the warhead thing?
No, it's not warheads. It's toxic waste. It's worse than warheads are actually worse.
Are you gonna put that on YouTube?
Yeah.
Yeah, I heard.
Oh, I want to pick Brandon's. There you go.
No, I want the red one.
The red one's sour. That's what she has in her mouth. You can't do the same one.
Oh, okay.
Mine's green.
But baby, yours is watermelon. That's in the red package. Oh no, that's black cherry here.
Oh no. Is
Mm.
it hard candy?
Look, I've got all the Hulk finished. At least that
Oh,
one.
could you stop?
Brandon likes sour things, so really this isn't a problem for him.
I'm okay now. I'm so pathetic.
I don't know what it went. Oh, Bella's gonna eat it. Videotape that.
Do I have to wait till it just melts in my mouth?
Yep.
It gets like
sweet.
Yeah, it gets sweet after like 2 minutes because I mean mine's already sweet and I'm all.
Oh,
Yeah.
I'm scared now.
If he's making those faces, which I'm taking pictures of and posting on Facebook because they're hilarious.
Don't do that, Brandon. Stop picking your dog's nose. It doesn't smell sour.
I'm not.
Just go all in.
There's cupcakes still in my mouth. Come on.
I don't care. All
Oh
in.
my god.
The cupcake in my mouth too. All in. Go for it.
Oh, now it's sweet.
Yeah. Now you're good.
Thank God. Oh, my tongue is still tingling.
Oh,
It's tingling.
Ah.
It's tingling.
I had an issue with that. And then there's you.
Baby, I used to eat these all the time.
I remember because they were gross.
Yeah, were you videotaping mine or just taking pictures?
I couldn't take pictures while I'm videotaping.
Oh, my tongue hurts now.
The warhead one is gonna suck so much worse, Brandon.
I'm just gonna suck you. Oh God.
Because they don't get sweet.
So do they? So do we just have to wait for it?
Well, honestly, with the warhead one, we're gonna just go until we just spit them out.
It hasn't gotten sweet yet.
Hey.
Made my eye water. I think I picked the one that doesn't get sweet.
Which one?
Blue raspberry.
I was gonna do that one, but I was kind of scared.
I tried to get Brandon to do the lemon one.
No,
I
hate lemons.
Me too.
Baby, look, I finished the side.
Look, Bella's looking my toe.
Belly.
She is that. It's good now.
Now you're good. That was disgusting.
You're welcome.